person and also a senior person who actually do konten lu sebenarnya asik, cuma kelakuan lu random gitu.
That's how
Yeah.
Kamu umurnya berapa? How old are you?
How can I? 16 year old.
16, oh, still
Nih.
young.
Okay, this is some serious talk shit. Serius. I actually like your persona. Cuman kelakuan lo, you don't actually need to get hated by a lot of people. Honest.
No, I actually want to verify.
No, I'm not talking about the shit. I'm talking about some other stuff that you did. Oh, come on. I don't need to elaborate.
Yang aku miliki.
Yes. Why the fuck did you do that?
I didn't do that.
You didn't do
I
that.
didn't steal shit.
Oh, you didn't steal shit. Okay. Okay. Can you elaborate like what the fuck is happening? Well, what the fuck happened?
Let me tell you the truth.
Yeah.
What happened is,
You never said this before in
I
public?
did,
You did?
but y'all don't fucking believe me.
Okay. Can you tell me what the fuck is actually happening? Because let me decide whether to believe you or not.
Alright, so I ran into this person, right? I ran into Jet cosplay.
A Jet cosplay?
Iya, Jet cosplay Jet. Terus gak lengkap glove-nya.
Yeah.
Terus aku pikir, ya udah gak lengkap, kan udah biasa, right? Like, it's not the first time that I got cosplay and then like the glove gak datang, right? Like partnya gak datang, glove-nya gak datang, just whatever, right? Terus aku and then I returned the cosplay, and then she said I steal it, but she didn't send it in the first place. Terus dia suruh saya untuk bayar 250 karena aku nyuri glove-nya, padahal dia kirim apa.
And actually, I'm doing this as a media. Ya. Whether people believe it or not, it's up to them.
You won't believe this. Oh,
Yeah. What the fuck? That's my point. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, come on. You actually don't need that kind of hate because your persona is actually kind of insane.
I'm not insane.
No. I mean your persona.
I'm normal.
You don't know what persona means?
Yang game.
She's 16 years old, 16 tahun. Gue mau ngomong kasar nggak boleh. Dia 16 tahun. Persona is actually something that you put on social media. It's not the real thing. It's not the real you. It's just a freaking mask. That's what persona games means.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Yeah, actually you don't need that kind of hate. Tapi lagi-lagi balikin ke social media ya, gue whether people believe it or not. Kalau gue juga nggak bakal ngomong kayak gue percaya dia atau gue percaya siapa tuh toko cosplaynya or whatever, itu gue nggak. As a media gue netral. Type shit. Gua baru ngerti gara-gara Emma tuh type shit. Lo there's a language barrier between ages. Language. Tapi gitu. Jadi menurut in your point of view ya, she didn't send the.
No, it's not in my point of view. That's what happened.
That's what happened.
She didn't send the glove. Terus aku kira ya udah nggak apa-apa, mungkin dia lupa. So I just like give it back, right? Terus dia minta give it back. Karena ada like 3 days minta give it back, and I give it back, and then she's like, oh you stole this. You never gave it to me. Terus dia suruh saya bayar.
What about the ID?
I did.
No, ID.
I did.
You did what?
I made a fake ID.
Okay, that's where your idiotic part is.
Yeah, that's weird. And then because of that, aku kan salah banget.
Yes.
Yeah, and I can't
If you're
defend myself.
if you're underage, you shouldn't do that.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe you need to like your parents' ID.
But at that time, I was like, aku pengen anonymous banget gitu.
Exactly, I know that.
Yeah.
That's where
That's
the
where I
part
fucked
went.
up.
Yeah.
I know.
You really fucked up. As your uncle here, I'm gonna tell you, you're an idiot by doing that. Seriously. Yeah, kan?
That's my mistake, right?
Yeah.
But I don't want to pay 250 for something I didn't steal. That's why I didn't pay.
Okay, if that's what you mean is correct, or if that's what you believe in, it's true. But I'm talking about the idea, the ID part.
Gara-gara itu emang aku salah kan?
Yeah.
Jadi pada akhirnya aku juga bayar.
Ya, ujungnya lu bayar.
Ujungnya aku bayar.
Yeah.
Ujungnya dia juga udah post.
Kapok, pakai ID palsu. Don't do that again.
Yeah, I won't.
Don't do that again.
Maybe, but like in the end, I decided to pay her, right?
Good.
At the end, because I was really fucking tired of everything, and I wanted to clarify. Aku udah bayar, kan?
Tapi already because of
Yeah, it's already too big already, so like whatever, right? And then
you do some strange shit.
no, that one was a one-off video. Like it was one video and like 1,000 of us. Like basically ya gitu. Terus aku udah bayar kan 250, and then she made like a story or highlight kan. Gue udah bayar for hating her. And then a month later she fucking took it down. Yeah.
Okay. Still, is your uncle?
No,
stop.
ID shit was my mistake.
Yeah,
I know.
don't do that again.
Also,
For
I didn't-
everything.
Yeah, I didn't steal someone's ID. I just made them up, like make my own.
Yeah, that's the same
Yeah.
idiot shit.
But that's what happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beli via atau enggak terserah, itu balikin ke social media, balikin ke netizen.